All right, let's take you to this top story now. The Gauteng Health Department has confirmed that more than 70 matric pupils from various schools have been admitted to different hospitals following suspected food poisoning. My colleague Calvin Dludla is at the Carltonville Hospital for us this afternoon. Calvin, of course, I do understand there's many legs to this particular story with Steve Mabona now at another point. Give us the very latest.
Indeed, we are outside Carltonville at District Hospital, and the update is that according to the Departmental of Health, Gauteng spokesperson, that would be Mutalatale Modiba, those patients, children to be specific, were released to their parents. That is what he told the SABC News, and we tried to communicate with the communication officer of this very same hospital, and then he told us that he is going to get the chief executive officer, Dr. Naidu, to speak to us. I could overhear a conversation between this communication officer of this hospital and Mutalatale Modiba telling the communication officer to make sure that the interview does not take place inside this hospital, and then the communication officer must go and find Dr. Naidu. That is what he ended up relating to me. The communication officer went to find Dr. Naidu, but we have learned that the CEO is not here, and Mutalatale Modiba giving us a latest update saying all patients are gone. They have been released to their parents. Steve Mabona, who speaks for Gauteng Department, communicated with SABC News saying that he is in Fochville and we should meet him after this interview.
Calvin, I'm going to let you go so that you get to Steve Mabona, and then we do get an update from him from the vantage point of the Department of Education. As you heard there, this is, of course, now a development in this story. The over 70 matric pupils from various schools that were in that hospital, as we hear from Calvin, have now been released to the care of their parents. He will bring us another leg of the story with the Department of Education. That's my colleague there, Calvin Dludla, SABC News reporter.